In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover the unsaved draft emails from Outlook. If you were composing an email and the window closed, your browser crashed, or you accidentally discarded it, don't panic. Outlook often keeps a copy in the deleted items folder, and with a quick check, you can usually bring it back. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. Sign into your account so you can access your mailbox. Once you're on the Outlook home screen, click Mail to open your inbox and folders. This ensures you're in the full mail view, where recovery options are available and easy to see. Now, look at the folder list on the left side and click Deleted Items. Outlook moves discarded messages here, including many drafts that weren't fully saved in your drafts folder. Give the folder a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of messages. You can scroll through the list and look for the email that matches your missing draft. It might appear without a subject or with a generic title like No Subject, so pay attention to the time and date as well. The preview pane on the right can help you confirm you found the correct message. When you spot the draft, select it. If you need to recover more than one, you can select multiple messages at once before restoring. After selecting, look along the top of the message list for the Restore option and click Restore. Outlook will return the message to its original folder. For a draft, that's typically the drafts folder. This means the content you were working on should reappear where you'd expect it, ready for you to continue editing and send when you're ready. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you just lost the draft, check deleted items right away since it's fresh and easier to locate. Sorting by date can help bring the newest items to the top. If you don't see the draft in deleted items, it may have been permanently removed or may not have been captured if it was never auto-saved. In general, Outlook keeps deleted items for a limited period, so time matters. Also, once you restore, give the mailbox a moment to refresh so the draft reappears in its original location. That's all there is to it. Go to outlook.live.com, open Mail, head to Deleted Items, select the message, and click Restore. With these steps, you can quickly recover unsaved drafts and get right back to writing.